I've tried it before.
You've tried weed before?
Yeah.
But you didn't like it?
I didn't like it.
You didn't like it?
No.
Do you think it should be legalized in Ghana? Weed?
Like it will be better.
Why?
Why?
My God.
Milia! Oh, Bumi!
Why would you bring Nayapa?
Says I saw Thomas, no, almost at all before.
My poker, who only a human.
What would you do me?
That's what's what.
Oh, Minia!
We know what father for so many years. You can't also hear me. But Mamma, I mean, Jenny, as I say, Willie. Saladin Company Limited. I want Sassy, I will Ghana have a beer. In Sassy, there were 2 up in Ghana. And on one Sassy, I will Jerusalem, that is a bear Fiena, Sansuna Akatapo, I will Pokwasi, Sans Odumasi near Dodoa, and Dentra, a Kaswa, assassin litigation free, Lunimasi, and Tokobi anyone. Then get the one crown and say, Ukutaka. Now they pass us. I'm sure car no one car.
Oh, you don't mean it? Then some gas in the Major Sassy.
Oh, I don't know them.
Oh, Milia! Oh, Milia, the patch, Mammy come down, one patch, the patch, Mammy come down, this consultation. I mean, my
Odofo me ma akwa basronko edeba too much GH so Odofo what ya na won say ye dia ne ma me bo we eye legendary Amakye Dede chese ensem yo dia beto abonten ne de enu onuyi akasa chese me dwon wa menti ase ensem ni nyina no efa entampem an wi hie ho na chese ne comment ne de anu odu Odofo ma me twa me homra me ba me di mu nchie mu bebre. Ebusunya me da se wotwa me ma me twa me ho eba ye se de na manugu so na make an legendary Amakye Dede a che se na no pay okokoye interview e wo GH1 a che se show ne fe ne star chat na na ba na mo e ne hosti na one ne ka se mo a na wo busa ne se legend entampihie uhu ni sen e wo Ghana ha se na ono entampihie ne de de papa mom ebie ni padri mu ni ade che se Emma wapomuden na na babusa ne say na waye bi da o se da bi o se eja unye bi da o se ai maye bi da na so ye no mimom die mampe na so no de papa che say ebeboa ni pa nka amban ne kura timi kwa legalize am ebetimi kura de sika na so kura de abra wo man no tinka no de anka ebe legalize ye weed smoking na wo Ghana ha anka ni ba gige pa che say nya de bone tis obi ehye wi a enkyerese wabodam obi hye wi a enkyerese oye kwasampani a wa mobra da bi ebie ni padwi mu yie pa na obusa na kwashen no waka na eye artistifo no omo bobonwom no aya na mo hye wi a eye ma wo mo some be co stage wo se hwe nana eye papa me na make a chiro e se wonum na wo stage a enya de ketwa eboa ma ati perform yie pa enya asekuma Odofo se dem penifo se yenti todo e ma to agidie moma ye nkone nkohwe video ni mbra ye ba ye beto ase.
Yeah, it was an open secret. He like, did you ever try it?
Yeah.
Did you try it?
Oh, in fact, I didn't.
You didn't try it?
I didn't try
But you've never tried it?
Yeah.
You don't like it?
I can't say I don't like it. I can't say I don't like it.
Why can't say, have you tried it before?
I've tried it before.
You've tried weed before?
Yeah.
But you didn't like it?
I didn't like it.
You didn't like it?
No.
Do you think it should be legalized in Ghana? Weed?
Like it will be better.
Why?
Why? You see now, in America, in parts of Germany and Amsterdam, they have legalized it.
Yeah, absolutely.
And they are earning money from it. You see? So in fact, if somebody tells you that Ghanaians should legalize the weed, I don't think it's a problem.
So it should be legalized.
Yeah.
Yeah. But what do you think about people who smoke it? Do you think it's okay?
No, but you are taking me back to things I don't want to talk about.
Oh, really?
But I know.
Do you think it's bad? I mean, there are people who have this perception that once you smoke weed, then you're a bad person.
No.
Yeah, because I know people who smoke weed and they are not bad people. The perception is so wrong.
No. If you smoke weed, you are not a bad person.
Okay.
I'm telling you.
Right. Should musicians smoke it before a performance?
Yeah.
They should.
Yeah.
What would it do for them? What would it do for them if they smoke? Would it make them extra energetic? What would it do for them, for instance?
Yeah, it's extra energetic.
Okay.
Yes.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay.
Odofo a video no na yakoshe edi aba no ai papa na numu asem eno no ejese nkra kese a wode ma aban no eno no a chese ono de wonyaye anka ya de aban no etimi so wi mu yie na chese ye mama wi nso ebe ye japade ati se de koko ye japade ya akadi ba ji pa e de sika so ebe bere wo man no anka nye se bia ye kwa ya mafio ai papa de na de nche no etu so ade nche na afafa comment section ho ma ye be kenkan edi ama pa ya asem kuma na we better o na amafo bi ka say eh papa yi say dey o see na share say won so perform na say we shi bi on we jira won na so cheni ni na say mo jam na so cheni na say ene ma hyehyɛ ntome ma mo ye ne ma pa wo andaji eja no na di utu wo wie me ne kofa ma ni tu pa enya asem kuma e na amafo bi ka say na share say emrantie ya share so mbe jina stage so a o mti perform ya afei ade ti no ko ye interview ya kan bi o ma na say de o hu bi krada aso munti bi krada ayo ma de foforo na chese dwuma omudi no ene na se wi ya se ye na chese ase si ase youth no adwen koso se asa de papa bi a ebeboa chese wo ya be ma wadwi mu ada ho be ma wa hoden a betimi aye adwuma ye ni ade a chese enya ase nkuma e koso e wo social media ase media no ode ye wo so fo adwen kire bra se wujitum se e wo se ye legalizing weed smoking ewo Ghana ha said ye legendary Amakye Dede kana na wo so atro yes I say wunyi ntumu so a bo wadwen fama no ye be kenkan wa ha say pa e dia mom ha say too much gh like share subscribe for your YouTube channel no bo notification bell on so say the be abibia na the information ba woni first person na won sabeka dwumadie ye friend what ya na say da bia wonte ya me wa ha say me de bebrem mi amede dwumadie ho chiame edinye ameje soane asonaba na nekua makra
Ahaye Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboa Enterprise. Yede kunja papa nkwane yedele. Se ope ekunja papa abla Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboa Enterprise. Yawa kunja bia wa ha kunja bia ope bia. Egypt ekunja, Germany ekunja, Italy ekunja bia de bia onim se ye kunja papa no e na Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboa odele with. Ofia kunja misimu. Na wangasa ofia kunja la we Egypt enye China de ni. Eye Egypt akunja. We share bia no class de bia nete e bia papa every Egypt a de aba we ye de ma etufo bo ekunja bia ope wasase we so na obiri ye bo anko na betima mo China ekunja pe na ye ni bi but ekunja bia country bia ekunja ope no ye de wo se bla na be challenge yen na be bi say ekunja ope say ye ntumi enya ma wa bla azikra na obiri ye bo enterprise e wa be kan free pipe jansen ho na usane first round second round no Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboa Furniture Enterprise ewo ho se o pese oni Nana Obiri Yeboa dinkita ho bia free 0558 78 2268 and say 0277 tie no mani 0277 469933 ekunja bia o pe no Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboa no ntunchia se o pe kunja we enene mpa seta no ma no free no ma no Isaac Nana Obiri Yeboa be ma we kunja we enene mpa ekunja bia wa ha bia o pe enene mpa seta Nana Isaac Obiri Yeboa nkwa na ebetumi ama obi ewo Ghana